Just starting out and looking to use ChatGPT to generate $1,000 per day, there are many exciting opportunities you can tap into. Here's an overview of some profitable business ideas you can explore. First, you can dive into freelance copywriting. Many businesses need great copy, whether it's for advertisements, website content, blog posts, or product descriptions. ChatGPT can help you create high-quality content quickly, allowing you to serve multiple clients. If you focus on high-demand industries or specialize in particular types of writing, you could easily generate consistent income. Another business idea is to start an AI-generated content agency. Many businesses, influencers, and online marketers need content for their websites or social media platforms, and ChatGPT can assist with generating blog posts, social media updates, and articles at scale. By providing businesses with affordable, fast content, you can build a steady stream of clients, all while working remotely. If you're into writing and want to create something that has long-term value, consider ebook publishing. Using ChatGPT, you can write and self-publish ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle. Whether it's self-help, fiction, or niche topics, ebooks can be a great way to make money. Once your book is published, it can keep generating revenue with minimal ongoing work. Creating and selling online courses is another great way to earn money using ChatGPT. You could design a course around your expertise or a subject that's in high demand, and then use ChatGPT to create detailed lesson plans, scripts, and supplementary materials. Once the course is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Social media management is also a business you can start. Many businesses are looking to improve their online presence, but they often don't have the time to manage their social media accounts. You can use ChatGPT to create engaging content, design post schedules, and even interact with followers, all while charging clients for your services. ChatGPT can also help you develop AI-powered chatbots for businesses. These chatbots can assist with customer service, sales, and lead generation. By offering chatbot creation and maintenance services, you can tap into a growing market of businesses looking to automate their operations. Affiliate marketing is another business idea where you can leverage ChatGPT. You can build a niche website or blog that promotes products through affiliate links. ChatGPT can help you write product reviews, comparison articles, and helpful guides. Once your website gains traffic, you can earn commissions from affiliate sales. Another service you can offer is resume and cover letter writing. Job seekers are always looking for professional help to stand out in the job market. Using ChatGPT, you can create personalized professional resumes and cover letters quickly, helping clients land their dream jobs while generating revenue for yourself. If you're interested in email marketing, this is a lucrative area where ChatGPT can shine. Many businesses need help creating email campaigns that convert. You can use ChatGPT to generate email content, write compelling subject lines, and even set up automated email sequences. Email marketing can be a long-term service you offer, bringing in recurring revenue as you manage ongoing campaigns for your clients. Finally, you could start a virtual assistant business where you offer administrative support to entrepreneurs and small businesses. With the help of ChatGPT, you can take on tasks like email management, calendar scheduling, and document drafting. By outsourcing the content creation and repetitive tasks to ChatGPT, you can focus on providing a high-quality service to your clients and scale your business quickly. These business ideas are all flexible and scalable, which means they can be tailored to fit your skills, interests, and available time. With a bit of marketing and consistency, you can use ChatGPT as your powerful tool to help you reach $1,000 per day in income. If you're looking to dive into content creation, ebooks, or consulting services, there are several profitable niches where ChatGPT can help you generate significant income. Here are 5 lucrative niches that have great potential for reaching $1,000 per day. One of the most lucrative niches is personal finance and investing. People are always looking for ways to manage their money better, save, and invest wisely. Whether you focus on topics like budgeting, debt management, stock market investing, or real estate investing, there's a constant demand of expert advice in this space. You can create ebooks or courses, offer consulting services, or even run a blog or YouTube channel. With ChatGPT, you can generate content, write insightful articles, and even create detailed financial plans for clients. Another great niche is health and wellness. With growing interest in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, there's a huge market for content related to fitness, mental health, nutrition, and overall well-being. Whether you're offering ebooks on fitness routines, creating a consulting service for weight loss or stress management, or writing blog posts on healthy living, ChatGPT can assist with content generation and creating expert advice. People are willing to pay for professional guidance and actionable strategies in this niche. The tech and gadget space is also highly profitable. New gadgets, software, and emerging technologies are always in demand, and people are eager to stay updated on the latest trends. You can create product reviews, tech guides, and educational content about new innovations in the tech world. If you're more interested in consulting, offering tech support, or helping businesses implement the latest tools, could be a valuable service. ChatGPT can help you generate engaging reviews, tutorials, and even offer technical writing for complex tech topics. Another niche with immense potential is entrepreneurship and business growth. Aspiring entrepreneurs and business owners are always looking for advice on how to grow their businesses, scale, or navigate challenges. Whether you're creating an ebook on how to start a business, offering consulting services for new entrepreneurs, or creating courses on leadership and team building, ChatGPT can assist with producing detailed content, outlining strategies, and drafting helpful business plans. With the right marketing, this niche can easily generate recurring income. Finally, the self-improvement niche is a goldmine for content creators. People are constantly searching for ways to improve their productivity, mindset, and overall life satisfaction. Whether it's personal development strategies, motivational content, or specific areas like time management or overcoming procrastination, this market is vast. You could write ebooks, create online courses, or offer coaching services in this space. And ChatGPT can help you craft inspiring content and personalized plans for clients. These 5 niches, personal finance, health and wellness, tech and gadgets, entrepreneurship, and self-improvement, offer significant potential for creating content, ebooks, or consulting services that can realistically generate $1,000 per day with ChatGPT's assistance. By leveraging ChatGPT's ability to produce high-quality content and assist with research, you can scale these ideas quickly and start monetizing your knowledge. Creating and publishing ebooks is a fantastic way to generate income, and with ChatGPT, the process becomes much easier and faster. To start, the first step is to choose a profitable niche. You can explore trending topics using tools like Amazon's Kindle Store or Google Trends. These tools allow you to see what's popular and where there's a demand. Focusing on niches such as self-help, finance, productivity, or even niche fiction can help you find topics with high potential for success. Within these categories, books about personal growth, budgeting, time management, and specific genres of fiction like romance or science fiction are always in demand. Once you have your niche, ChatGPT can assist with brainstorming ideas, developing outlines, and drafting your content. If you're stuck on what to write about, ChatGPT can help generate creative ideas for book titles or chapter topics. For example, you can ask it for title suggestions for a self-help book on boosting productivity, or for a list of chapter ideas for a guide on personal finance. Once you have your title and topic, you can use ChatGPT to create an outline for your book. It can help break down your ideas into manageable sections or chapters, giving you a roadmap for your writing. When it comes to drafting the actual content, ChatGPT can help by providing you with detailed text for each section of your book. For instance, you can ask for a 500-word introduction to a book about achieving financial independence, or a detailed chapter on building good habits. As you continue writing, ChatGPT can generate content that flows naturally and stays on topic, ensuring your book is coherent and easy to read. After drafting, you can use ChatGPT to edit and improve the writing. It can help refine the text by correcting grammar, eliminating redundancies, and improving sentence structure, making your book feel more polished and professional. Once your ebook is ready, the next step is publishing it. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, make it easy to publish your ebook and reach a global audience. Amazon KDP allows you to upload your ebook and set your price, while offering royalties of up to 70% depending on your book's price. Other platforms like Gumroad and Etsy also provide opportunities to sell digital products directly to customers, giving you more control over pricing and distribution. If you use Gumroad, for example, you can set up an easy system for selling and promoting your book while building a direct connection with your audience. After your ebook is published, the key to success is marketing. You need to promote your book to ensure it reaches your target audience. Social media is a great place to start. By sharing your book on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, you can engage with potential readers. Joining niche groups on social media platforms or participating in relevant online communities can also help spread the word. Email marketing is another powerful tool for promoting your ebook. Building an email list and offering a free chapter or a special discount in exchange for sign-ups can help grow your audience and boost sales. Collaborating with influencers or guest posting on popular blogs in your niche can also help you reach new readers. If you're publishing on Amazon, you can use Amazon's advertising tools to promote your book directly to readers searching for content in your genre. By using ChatGPT to streamline the writing process and leveraging online publishing platforms, you can create high-quality ebooks that not only help you build a passive income stream, but also position you as an authority in your chosen niche. With consistent effort and smart marketing, you'll be on your way to generating significant revenue through ebook publishing. Once your ebook is published, marketing and promotion become key to generating sales. One of the first things you can do is leverage social media marketing. Sharing your book on your personal or business social media profiles can help spread the word to your followers. Engaging with relevant communities on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram allows you to reach a broader audience. You can also run targeted ads on these platforms to further boost visibility. Joining niche groups or participating in threads on Reddit or specialized forums can be an excellent way to connect with readers interested in your book's topic. Email marketing is another powerful strategy to promote your ebook. Building an email list gives you direct access to your audience. You can offer a free chapter or a valuable resource related to your book in exchange for email subscriptions, helping you grow your list over time. Once you have an email list, send out newsletters that highlight your ebook, provide useful content, and encourage subscribers to purchase. Personalized email campaigns can keep your audience engaged and drive sales. Collaborations and guest posting can significantly expand your reach. By working with influencers, bloggers, or podcast hosts in your niche, you can tap into their established audiences. You might offer to write guest posts for blogs, participate in podcasts, or collaborate on social media promotions. These partnerships introduce your ebook to a new set of potential readers and help build your authority in the niche. Finally, utilizing Amazon ads can be a great way to generate targeted traffic to your ebook on the Amazon platform. With Amazon's advertising tools, you can run campaigns that target users searching for similar books or topics. These ads can help your book appear in front of interested readers, increasing visibility and driving sales. By setting a budget and tracking your results, you can optimize your ad campaigns for the best return on investment. Combining these strategies, social media marketing, email campaigns, collaborations, and paid advertising, can create a comprehensive promotion plan that boosts your ebook sales. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Ashman Digital News for further updates. Stay tuned for the latest insights, tips, and trends that will help you stay ahead in the digital world.